Hi everyone, I'm Swati. I welcome you all in this video. And in this video, you need to pick one pile out of four and let's see what October month has stood for you. So, this is for those who have selected pile number one. So, let's see what October month has stood for you. So, in the recent past, I can see you guys were in a comfort zone and you want perfection in your work and you really want that people should approach you when they are perfect in their work and they should not disturb you unnecessarily, and you are very slow at work and want things to be perfect and you dig down into details so that your work get perfect, and there was a bit loneliness in your life and you feel very unattached from people. You are dealing with potentially volatile situation and you need to temper your thoughts and action to find balance and harmony. This means neither or nor the other, but the blending two opposite forces to create inspired solution. The card also asks you to resist but accept both the sides of situation and be guided by what feels more natural to you. It's a time for reconciliation. In relationship, there's a stage in a relationship when you can reach a new level of trust, and if you are single you might be guarded toward a partner and it's emotionally intense time. For the career and money, you will be dealing with difficulty or highly sensitive individuals. Be diplomat and you can work a miracle. In terms of money, pay extra attention to your income and outings. So there will be positive outcome. This is a time when the past error or imbalances can be addressed. You benefit from a fair system provided you are accountable, honest and deserving. So at home, legal issues concerning property might get resolved, contract are signed and you can make progress. In relationship, while balances and practical issues are important now, so take care of your emotional needs are met. You need to find the right balance between work and relationships. So in terms of career at work, you may be tested but the outcome is positive. Job interviews and negotiations are successful. Financially, it will be a very good period for you. So 10 of Wands shows that you are carrying too much on your shoulder. You have become so used to being overloaded that you have lost your sight of the reason that you are doing the work. So it's a common card for homemakers and entrepreneurs, those who love multitasking. On a positive note, the card reveals that you will be successful with the careful management and time and resources. So that's all about pile number one. Thank you. So this is for those who have selected the pile number 2, and let's see what October month has stored for you. Your mind will get completely blocked. You might get trapped in a situation where you will think so much and you have to talk about your situation, but you really can't because there's so much going behind the scenes that you cannot see and you cannot tolerate, and it's just you are thinking about the situation. You will have too many morals this month, and in everything you will see morality, and you will have a conditioned mind, rigid ideas. So you will judge people like this person is like this, so he or she should be like this only. So you will judge people on the basis of your judgments, your morality. So it's advised to come out of the box and think beyond which is not showed to you. So you need to be independent, stop being coward, and I can see you need to be flexible to reach at new heights. At present, you are not in a good situation, and you have surrendered yourselves to your peers or your boss at work. In relationships, you are feeling very low, and somebody or you have put so many conditions, and you are not willing to come out of it. So it's advised you to be ordinary, And if you are looking for any business, go ordinary, means go for local business. And in relationships, try not to put so many things on people, don't pass judgments. And at home, you need to relax as the situation would not be so good, and you need to take care of your vision, how you look at things, how you can solve the situation. So that's all about the pile number 2. This reading is for those who have selected pile number 3. So let's see what October month has stood for you. So in the month of October, all your past experiences have led to this moment. You have studied and grown spiritually in many ways. There is nothing more you can do. You are ready to move forward and to embarrass the person you know in your heart you are meant to be. So the world is anxiously waiting the contribution that you following your life purpose will provide. You may have to put yourself first in this situation. It's time to do what is right for you. So in the month of October, if you're planning to start something new, any new startup or any new career you want to take, any new relationship or any changes at home, then you should think twice before taking any action. This is the time to expand your circle of friends. You may find yourself needing to do some professional networking. Make time to branch out in order to create the personal or career connection necessary to be happy and successful. So this also shows a situation required to input of those who can assist you in accomplishing the task before you. This may include professionals in the fields related to your question or other who work for or around you. It can also lead to people who are in your personal life who have experience that you would be useful. So it's time to make your dreams come true. Thank you. This is all about for those who have chosen that pile number 3. Thank you. Everyone, I welcome you all. So this is for those who have chosen pile number 4. So let's see what October month has stored for you. So for pile number 4, it's a perfect time for you to start new projects, access new ideas, and give birth to new conditions. If you feel dark, heavy, or depressed, then you can enlighten up by fueling yourself with positive intention, nutritious food, and anything that sparks your feelings of love. There is a chance that you may be involved with successful child conception, adoption, or any custody resolution. Your desire will fully manifest in the springtime. There will be recursion of the ore. Your new idea or venture will be successful. It's an opportune time to make life changes. So in relationship, both give and take is required. For example, if you only give, you will feel drained, resentful, and lack experience. And if you only receive, you won't enjoy what you have. So balance comes out from fearlessly giving, and you are guided and receiving with joy and gratitude. It's exactly like breathing, both in and out. So practice giving and receiving daily, and you will never want for anything else.